If you guys are wanting to get started on your crypto journey and wanting to learn how to purchase some Bitcoin, then keep watching. Hey guys, RJ here. And no matter what kind of crypto investor you are or what kind of crypto investor you're looking to be, I truly believe that there is always going to be a spot for Bitcoin in your portfolio. So with that being said, let's go ahead and show you guys how to purchase some Bitcoin using the Crypto.com exchange. There are a few prerequisites before we get started. First and foremost, you would have needed to create your Crypto.com account. And second, you would have needed to connect and link your bank account to the exchange itself. Now, if you guys are needing some information on how to do that, I will leave articles down in the description below. Now, if you have done all that, let's go ahead and get into the fun stuff. So what you guys would do is you'd open your Crypto.com account, and here's my Crypto.com account. As you can see, I really leave it bare bones. I don't use the exchange to house my crypto, obviously with all the FTX stuff going on. So what you want to do is you want to click on accounts, and then what we're going to do from here is we're going to click on crypto wallet. And once you click on crypto wallet, you'll see the cryptos that you own in here. You have two methods. You can click on Bitcoin, or you can hit that buy symbol on the left side. I like to keep things simple, so I'll hit buy, and then we'll select Bitcoin as the second option. And then here you get to choose how you want to purchase your Bitcoin. So I'm going to choose the fiat wallet in the USD wallet section. So I'm going to tap USD wallet. Now on the top here, you'll see that you can purchase Bitcoin two different ways. You can try and gauge 0.01, but if I just want to purchase $25 worth, I don't want to sit here and toggle what's $25? Oh, that's only $35 worth. So let me delete that. Let's type 001. Oh, that's only $17 worth. So hit the arrow all the way to the right, and then you can see that you swap to USD. So if I want to purchase $25 worth of Bitcoin, it's just like that. And then I'll hit the blue sign in the middle there. And then from there, you'll see the confirmation that I am purchasing $25 worth of Bitcoin. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm it. It's going to ask for my passcode, or if you have facial recognition enabled, it'll go through that. And then obviously there you have it. You have purchased your Bitcoin. So if you see there I have $102, if I refresh that page by swiping down, you will see that the $25 I purchased is now added on there. Now that's like the most basic fundamentals of Bitcoin. And obviously you can rewind it and watch it however many times you need to so that you really understand the steps, or pause it along the way as you are going through the process of purchasing your Bitcoin using the Crypto.com exchange. That's like the most basic fundamentals. Obviously, with all the shenanigans going on with central exchanges like FTX, like Celsius, like BlockFi, there's been a big push to get your cryptos off of those exchanges. And so I always keep a very, very, very minimal amount of not only fiat, but a very minimal amount of crypto on those exchanges as well. The moment I reach a certain threshold, like let's say $500 or $600, I transfer that amount over to my personal hardware wallet. And a lot of people will ask, well, RJ, why don't you just transfer it every single time you purchase $25 worth of Bitcoin? The thing is, you get hit with exchange fees. And so I want to make sure that it makes sense for me to transfer X amount of Bitcoin. If I'm transferring $25 worth of Bitcoin and I get hit with $5 or $10 worth of exchange fees, then I'm only actually not really getting a lot out of it. So what I want to make sure I do is I build up enough in there where I'm comfortable, like let's say $500, $600, $700, and then I'll transfer all that over to my hardware wallet. Same thing with the fiat. You'll see that I keep a very minimal amount in there, like $1,000, just enough to top up my Crypto.com card so that I can use it on my everyday spendings. But other than that, I don't keep anything in that exchange. I use it to exchange, buy things, and then transfer it when I am done. So as I continue pushing for education and using this channel to move us towards one step closer to the ultimate goal of mass adoption, learning fundamental basics like learning how to purchase Bitcoin is not only fun, but it gets your foot in the door into the exciting world of crypto. Now, if you guys are also looking to join a group of like-minded individuals focused on generating wealth and breaking the corporate chains of 9 to 5, then I do have a link down in the description below to join the BlüWolf family, as well as schedule your free webinar training. Now, if you guys did enjoy this video, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification so you guys are notified every single time I upload new content. That is all I have for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.